Charlie Munger, why your first $100,000 is the magical number for generating real wealth. At what point do you know you've achieved financial freedom? What if I told you that $100,000 is the magical number that will unlock all the wealth and success you've ever dreamed of? In this video, long-term investor and billionaire Charlie Munger is going to show you why making your first $100,000 is essential to your financial future, and I'll reveal the quick ways to make your first $100K. So, why is hauling your first $100K essential? Imagine losing your job or other primary sources of income. If you have $100,000 saved up in a bank someplace, you are protected from losing your job. In actuality, it doesn't matter as long as you don't overextend yourself financially and don't have a ton of debt. If you lose your job, it's not always a loss. Instead, it's an opportunity to take a breath, unwind, concentrate, and replan your next course of action. You also have the holding capacity for long-term investments with the first $100,000. Moreover, the majority of long-term investments often lead to better prospects. Reaching your first $100,000 is an outstanding achievement and can boost your confidence. It also shows you have the discipline and work ethic to succeed financially. Earning your first $100K can also unlock better career opportunities. You may be able to negotiate higher pay or be in a better position to move up the career ladder. You see, once you have that first $100K, the power of compound interest starts working in your favor, and before you know it, that $100K can turn into $200, $500, and even $1 million. Overall, making your first $100K is an outstanding achievement that can provide a solid foundation for future financial success. Making a significant financial milestone like $100K can be a major accomplishment for many people. Some may feel a sense of relief or pride for reaching this goal. It can also provide a greater understanding of security and financial stability. Others may begin to think about investing, saving, or using the money for future goals, such as buying a home, traveling, or starting a business. But here's the thing, most people never even get close to that first $100K. They get stuck in debt, living paycheck to paycheck, and never fully realizing their true financial potential. So if you want to break free from financial stress and start building real wealth, you absolutely must understand the power of the first $100K. So how do you haul your first $100K? The earlier you begin to invest and save, the more time you'll have to build your money through compound interest. It's similar to a garden in that you can let time do its thing without constantly monitoring a grapevine. Capital gains, dividends, and interest can all be earned on investments. Let me tell you, the first $100K is magical when it comes to generating wealth. With resources getting more limited and the price of everything going up, you need to scale up your strategy and are willing to do some things that might seem strange to others. Saving money isn't just possible, it's easy. When we think about building wealth, we focus on the big numbers. That one substantial financial windfall that will put us in the stratosphere. But my research shows that a normal middle-class lifestyle can be a better way to create true wealth. There are things we need to do to make it happen. 1. Start investing in high-paying compound interest investment. This includes CDs, ETFs, REITs, and dividend-paying stocks. For instance, certificates of deposit, CDs, are low-risk investments where you deposit funds with a bank for a fixed term and earn interest. The interest rates on CDs are typically higher than traditional savings accounts and are compounded over time, allowing your investment to grow. On the other hand, REITs, real estate investment trusts, are investment vehicles that own and manage income-producing real estate properties. REITs typically pay out a significant portion of their income through dividends, making them an attractive investment option for investors seeking regular income streams. Similarly, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, offer instant diversification and typically have lower fees than mutual funds. They expose various securities, including bonds, stocks, and commodities. And lastly, high dividend-paying stocks are a type of stock that pays out a dividend yield above the market average. According to Munger, these stocks can provide a reliable income source and offer the potential for compounding returns as the dividends are reinvested. As part of your long-term investment strategy, consider investing in dividend-paying corporations using a low-cost fund in a tax-advantaged account. You see, compound interest is the interest earned on the principal amount of money and any previously made interest. It allows your money to grow faster. The more time you have for your money to grow, the more significant the compounding effect can be. Starting early also allows you to invest a smaller amount each year and still have a more substantial sum in savings in the long run, making it easier to build wealth over time. Assume that you earn a 10% annual return on your investments, CDs, REITs, ETFs, or dividend-paying stock. Assume also that you start from a net worth of zero. How long will it take to accumulate $100,000 if you earn $50,000 annually and save 20%? About 7.3 years. Let's assume that 7.3 years have passed and you have $100,000 saved up. You're still earning $50,000 annually and saving 20% of it. You're also still making a 10% annual return on your investments. How many years does it take to get from a net worth of $100,000 to a net worth of $200,000? About 4.3 years. Now let's use the same assumptions. Go from a net worth of $200,000 to a net worth of $300,000. How many years does it take? About 3 years. From $300,000 to $400,000? About 2.3 years. As you can see, each subsequent $100,000 increase in net worth takes less and less time to achieve. This is the power of compound interest, which explains why Munger said that the first $100,000 is a bitch. And 2, create a business. Did you know that there's a business that can give you over $500 per day without hard work? If you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, you'll explore easy jobs that will help you generate more money and more quickly than any other method at home. You must take a different approach to build a thriving business and create real wealth. Entrepreneurs are entirely focused on how to deliver value to others. These skills are incredibly scalable. And do you know the catch? Well, increasing customer value improves customer experience and happiness. Customer value creation boosts brand loyalty, market share and pricing, lowers mistakes, and improves productivity. Most people focus entirely on themselves, hoping to sell their work at a higher value to their customers. But have you ever asked yourself, how can I make my customers happy? How can I serve more people? Listen, money is the result of delivered value. The more value you provide to others, the more money you can make. Rich people deliver high value to the marketplace, high-paying jobs. Successful entrepreneurs are people who can provide scalable value to the world. Job creation is one of the most significant ways entrepreneurs have impacted society. They've helped the economy expand and create other jobs by launching their enterprises. Additionally, they have produced more affordable, practical, and safe goods, raising everyone's standard of living. That's how successful entrepreneurs set their mindset. A simple example is how a billionaire, Jeff Bezos, built an empire known as Amazon from a garage. You see, there's always an empty chair in every Amazon meeting. Do you know why? Because the customer seldom attended their meetings, Bezos wanted to leave the chair empty for them. So it was accurate. Bezos wanted everyone to keep the client in mind, since he focused on providing excellent customer service. Having a place at the table designated for the customer was his way of doing this. Achieving financial freedom is easier than you might think, but it doesn't happen by accident. It's not that you earn a certain income and suddenly get to keep all the money. Munger suggests that you should find a method to get your hands on $100,000, no matter what you have to do, even if it means going around on foot or using coupons. Your first $100,000 is the foundation upon which all other wealth-building efforts are built. Achieving a savings balance of $100,000 is an important stepping stone toward achieving even greater financial success in the future. In my next video, I will show you exactly how to get there, step by step. Trust me, and your financial future will change for the better with my next video. You won't want to miss it.